Straight. There you go, turn it. Yep. Straight. Straight, straight, straight. Back, 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 back. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Bimmer Barn. In today's episode, we're going to be doing a compression check on this 160,000 mile S54 motor. Now this motor is beautifully located in this Interlagos blue Z4 M-Coupe, and this is not my car. This is actually my friend Andre's car, and he's actually got it for sale at the time that I'm making this video. So if you're interested in buying this car, go ahead and hit him up. He's taken care of it beautifully, doing all sorts of work on the motor, from the rod bearings to the Vanos rebuild, and just serviced everything inside and out. And so this motor I would consider very healthy, but today we're going to find out the condition and the compression inside of the cylinders. So I've got my compression testing tool. First we've got to get all the old spark plugs out, and then we're going to find out cylinder by cylinder how healthy this motor is. Now in this video, we're just going to be focusing on this job, and if you enjoy this type of video, go ahead and hit that like button and comment down below and tell me that you like these sort of offhand videos. Not exactly part of a build series per se, but if I'm going to be helping someone out with a job, maybe you guys want to watch and enjoy and hopefully learn something. Do it like a couple more seconds. All right, take two. Just readjust it, made sure we had it correct. Go ahead and crank it, Andre. Yeah, the same number. compression testing in S54. Where did cylinder number 4 go?
Wow, that was good. That was 140.
So that concludes our compression test, and I'm not going to speculate about what could cause some of the variation between those cylinders there, but if I were to guess, I would say it could be a possible early head gasket failure. Something between the two cylinders might be causing a leak and not causing full compression, but from what Andre tells me, this car still drives really good. He's got a tune, some mods on it, some headers, and it's a very rare car. You don't usually see these Z4 M-Coupes on the street or even in a lot of collections, for example. So if you're interested in this car, go ahead and hit me up and I'll get you in contact with Andre in case he's still got the car. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and drop a like and comment down below. Let me know that you liked watching this sort of stuff. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing because we make a lot of awesome BMW content like this. And as always, I hope everyone has an awesome day. We'll see you in the next video. See you, Andre.